Hi, I'm Matt Fite. Welcome to the KTA Tater Instrument Use Training Series. There are a number of other modules available for you to view online by logging on to kta.com, ktagauge.com, or paintsquare.com. The SSPC VIS 3 guide is a series of photographs that depict the appearance of various grades of hand and power tool cleaning over previously painted, rusted, and mill-scale bearing steel. The photographs are an aid for determining whether a prepared surface meets or exceeds the project specification. The SSPC VIS 3 guide is broken up into three sections: the initial steel condition, the steel condition after hand tool cleaning, and the various grades of steel preparation after power tool cleaning. The first thing we have to do is to identify the initial condition. There are 7 initial conditions. Condition A is steel completely covered with adherent mill scale with little or no visible rust. Condition B is steel covered with both mill scale and rust. Condition C is steel covered in 100% rust with little or no pitting. Condition D is steel covered with 100% rust with moderate to severe pitting. Condition E is previously painted light colored steel applied over blast clean surface, paint mostly intact. Condition F is previously painted steel, zinc rich paint applied over blast clean steel, paint mostly intact. And condition G, painting system applied over mill scale bearing steel, system thoroughly weathered, thoroughly blistered, or thoroughly stained. Now that we know the initial conditions, we must verify the condition of our steel panel. By the visual standard, we can make an educated decision that condition A is not apparent. Condition B, I would say, is not the correct choice. I'm going to say that condition C, 100% rust with little or no pitting, is the choice. In our specification, it is calling to an SP11 with rotary flap to bare metal. So we have a section of our prepared steel. So we note condition C. We have our prepared substrate to bare metal SP11. I would say that we are falling within specification. Note that the steel will never appear identical to the photograph for a number of reasons. The initial condition won't be the same, the lighting and tools won't be the same, the configuration of the surface won't be the same, etc. The visual guides are just a representation of the actual prepared substrate and should be used only as a reference guide. That's all there is to it. Again, you can access all the videos by logging on to kta.com, ktagauge.com, or paintsquare.com.